Hello friends, welcome back to yet another exciting video on growing my very own ginger at home. And see if I can make it thrive. Growing your own ginger can be incredibly satisfying. And I'm excited to share with you just how easy it is. There's something special about watching something you planted and cared for grow into a thriving plant. So let's get started. Before starting, I would appeal to my friends to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you find my video helpful. Many people think growing ginger is complicated, or they just don't know where to start. I've been there too, wondering if I'm doing it right, or if my ginger will ever sprout. The truth is, with a few simple steps, you can successfully grow ginger at home. Some folks might think ginger is a tropical plant that's hard to care for, but it's actually pretty hardy. You might have tried growing ginger before and faced some challenges. But don't worry, we've got this. To start growing ginger, you're going to need a healthy piece of ginger root. You can even use a piece from the grocery store. Look for a piece with at least one eye or bud, as this is where the new growth will come from. Next, you'll want to prepare a pot with well-draining soil and plant your ginger about an inch deep. Water it thoroughly, but make sure not to overwater. As your ginger plant grows, it's going to need some care. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. You'll also want to provide it with a warm, humid environment. Fertilize your ginger plant occasionally to give it a boost. One of the most exciting moments is when your ginger starts to sprout. It's a sign that everything is going right, and you get to see the actual plant start to grow. The sprouts will start to grow into stems and leaves, and before long, you'll have a lush ginger plant. After a few weeks or months, depending on the conditions, you'll start to notice the plant growing rapidly. Keeping an eye on it and making sure it gets everything it needs will ensure a healthy harvest. When the plant is mature, you can harvest your ginger by carefully digging around the plant and extracting the rhizomes. To sum it up, growing ginger at home is simple and rewarding. You just need to select the right ginger root. Prepare the soil, care for the plant, and wait for it to sprout. With a bit of patience and the right conditions, you'll have fresh ginger right in your own home. if you've had any experiences growing ginger or other plants at home. I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. And if you're interested in growing more herbs, check out my next video. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.